Hello, my name is Carrie Buis Baker, and I am the founder of Senior Life Management Incorporated. I've been a working registered nurse for nearly 40 years and a nationally certified case manager for nearly 20 years. What do I do? I am a quarterback, a coach, a counselor for seniors and their families. I advocate, I negotiate, I'm a liaison, I mediate, I'm a communications expert with physicians and pharmacists and all of the pertinent parties that go into a senior's care. I work with seniors and their families that have medical and cognitive concerns. I help choose the safest and most appropriate solution, whether it be inside of their own home or if I'm able to assist make better choices with outside community living settings. We are very fortunate here in Orange County, California to have so many resources available to our seniors. But my word of caution to you and a piece of education that I would like to impart is please make sure you choose reliable, certified, licensed resources that truly care about your senior and that do work as team members in your senior's behalf. As a reference, I'd like to point out an article in Business Week, August 2009, in the Life Management section called A Pro in Your Corner, and it outlines the importance of locating a geriatric care manager, case manager that will have your best interests at heart and is certified to be helping you make lifelong decisions. In most healthcare situations, we face challenging and daunting choices and decisions. These can cause stress and fragmentation under the best of circumstances in any family or social setting. What sets me apart from others? I can provide hope and relief with compassion and great experience, both personally and professionally. Personally, my mother passed away with dementia and I walked through all the stages and care concerns with her. My mother-in-law is going to be 91 next month, and though she's mentally alert, she's failing physically, so we've walked through many decisions in her best interest. I want to point out that in addition to being a nurse and a nationally certified case manager, I'm on the National Board of Professional Geriatric Care Managers. I am a Biola graduate a number of years ago. I belong to National Aging in Place Council, and the Alzheimer's Association has accepted me as a resource, which you have to be qualified in high regards to become a resource for this wonderful organization on a nationwide basis. I have the experience and expertise to help you navigate through simple to difficult circumstances. This can be on a proactive basis where we get in ahead of the game before a crisis occurs, or if the crisis is occurring, I can also help you. My most recent example was I was able to assist a man who had a stroke in China 5 years ago, and his daughters and I have brought him home here and found him the appropriate care so that he can live here the remainder of his days. Again, thank you so much for your time. It will be a pleasure to be of service to you and your family. Should you need more detailed information, please access my website, and I look forward to the opportunity that Senior Life Management can provide to you.